Let's talk about hair buns today. Something messy like this, or you want to create something detailed like this. We can do both, or the one that I'm making right now. Actually, buns are easy. I repeat, it's very, very easy. Let's see quick steps how to do that. Let's start off with our reference image. So that's the first circle, that's the second circle, and that's the final circle. So always hover through your reference picture once, at least that's what I do, and this will give you a sense of measurement which will help you. Having said that, let's start with the outlines. My base outlines are ready, so now what I'm trying to do is I just try to make sure that like for example, I don't need to spend that much time on the eyes or the eyebrows to make it realistic. This is more about the hairs and also a little bit about the glasses, because yeah, I have a specific fascination for glasses. I think if you add glasses to your sketch or to your picture, so that gives a specific depth or another dimension to it, because it makes it so different. In the end, happy with my glasses. So let's start with hair then. It's all about layers starting from one. The trick is literally there is no shortcut to hair. There is not. If you want to make it realistic, there is only one way. So you take it slow and do it one by one. So what I'm doing is, if you see, I'm just trying to draw some kind of, you can say, outlines or second level of outlines, so that I can tell sections of hair where it is starting and where it is ending. Once I'm happy with the sections, now I start with layer 1 blending. Now this is the whole purpose they were created for. So if you see, in the center they are light, and in both the ends it's darker after the blending. And the entire reason behind it is this will give the hair a certain amount of volume. Entering into layer 2, do you see the difference? See, I already done 2 sections. I'm entering into a third section. So what I'm just doing is, whatever I did, I am just repeating the same thing in this layer. So this will give the hair the depth, and also it will keep on making it more realistic. So the more layers you add to it, then it will make whatever the bun or the hair, whatever kind of hairs you are drawing, it will make it more realistic. One quick tip here, always try to add some strands of hair at the end, like in the edges, the way I'm doing right now. This will give your picture or drawing a more realistic look. So that being sorted, let's try to speed through how I'm finishing this bun so that we can get to this next step. Final touches. Let's look into highlights. So this will be the last step. In this, once you have done or completed all your layers, now just to enhance that picture a little bit, what you need is kind of an eraser, where or you can use some white colored pencil. So what I'm trying to do is just trying to enhance the picture, or like those reflections, so that my picture is more, prominent, so that the hairs or the buns and then the sections of hairs are more prominent.